Today I'm going to talk about a really awesome Cherry Picker's Guide variety that you could find and change. Okay, it doesn't matter what grade these show up as, they're going to sell for some sort of money. Alright, the example I have here is a nice high grade example as a Mint State 67 red, but the important part of it is to notate the double die reverse portion of the label that I have on top there. It's a FS801. And this one is incredible if you're able to find it. Now the coin can be again in any grade, and you know they sell really well regardless of grade, unless it's like, you know, a real beater, you know, that has zinc rot and, you know, scratched up, that sort of thing. But a nice brown like VF or XF will sell relatively well, and you know, these things hit $50 to $100 even in those grades. So you can imagine what a Mint State coin would look like price-wise. But let's go ahead and take a look at the close-ups of the 1994 double die reverse Lincoln Cent for you. And as you can see, it's on the reverse. It's in the Lincoln Memorial. It's in the rightmost column. And as you can see, it's got a doubled column all the way to the right side. It looks like just a jagged broken line that runs north-south between the last two columns, and this is going to be your pickup point for this particular coin. Now it is a variety that you could see with the naked eye, all right, but you, to make sure that it's not some plating blister, you want to get under a magnifier on this one. That's going to be crucial, and it's going to be important. Now let's say you're able to find one of these. Okay, it sells really easily on eBay. You throw it up on there, you know, do like a 5 or a 7 day auction, you know, it starts on a Sunday, and then you're going to maximize the amount of money that you can for a raw example for those amount of days. Okay, you want to make sure you do that 5 to 7 day auction. The coin is highly desirable in the variety community, and junior coin collectors and coin roll hunters especially love finding this particular variety. So next time you go through a box of Lincoln Cents, be sure that you look through all of your 1994 Philadelphia Lincoln Cents for the double die reverse FS801 variety. It is truly magnificent, and it's worth more than a lot of like silver coins that you find in any other denomination out there. So yeah, it was a pleasure talking about this neat variety with you. Again, if you guys enjoy the video and the content, go ahead and give me a great big like, all right, great big thumbs up for you, and subscribe to Blue Ridge Silverhound. I appreciate your guys' time, and you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep searching.